Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an interactive quiz within PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. For this quiz, we will be using hyperlinks to get from one slide to another, so let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I have a blank document here with 7 blank slides, and let me just insert some titles here, or insert whatever text just to make sure that this is a title slide. For example, let's just say welcome to the quiz. It's going to be very rudimentary, very basic. I won't go into too much details. I won't make it nice, but it is going to be the main attraction. Now, once you have the title screen, you just want to add a first question. For example, where is it? Insert, go into text, again, add some text. Let's say question 1, and then once you do that, I'll just move it to the right side so that you can see it easier. Whoops. That is not what I wanted. You want to select this and just create a couple of text boxes where you're gonna have your multiple choice questions or answers. Now that you have those, you want to select, let's say, option A and option B. Once you have that, you're gonna have this slide with the question and with the options. Now what you're gonna make is a, well, screen or slide that says either right answer or wrong answer, and that's just going to be the basics of it. Now that you have this, what you want to do is once if somebody selects the right answer, it's going to take them to the right answer slide, or if it's the wrong one, you take it to this slide. The way you do this is, let's say, for example, option A is correct. Let's just select option A by clicking on the edges of it. Make sure it's not in text editing mode. Make sure it is just selected so that you can move it around. And once you've selected it like so, you want to go into insert, and then you want to go into hyperlink. Now, my version of PowerPoint is very outdated. However, yours should have links. Once you're there, you want to make sure place in this document is selected, and now you want to select the slide that is the right answer. Now, if A is the right answer, we want to go to the right answer slide, which is slide 3 in my case. Just click that. And option B, we want to insert it into the wrong answer slide, which is slide 4. Now, I have created some more for a second question, but that is not needed. Let's say if I go to slideshow and just present everything from the beginning, as you can see, welcome to the quiz is on my screen. And if I go here, I can click either option A or option B. I have the option to select them. And what I want to do, let's say if I say option A, it's going to take me to the right answer. And if I go back and click option B, it's going to take me to the wrong answer slide. And that is pretty much all there is to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.